Today, I'm going to be trapping an animal, doing some minnow trapping, and I'm also going to be cleaning out my pond, and then we're going to stock some fish in the pond after it's clean. This should be fun. Let's get started. All right, guys. We're setting the trap right now. Hopefully we catch a coon. Alright guys, I need to give y'all a little update on the pond. Everything's dead. I had all those catfish, they died. Then the next day, I put crawfish in. They all died. So, we're cleaning out, I think it might be some stuff in the water. So we're about to clean it out and change out the water. So, yeah. I dump all the water out first. Alright. Get all that water out.
Let's rinse it.
Now we have to rinse it. We might need something to scrub all this green stuff out. Alright guys, I got a towel and some Dawn soap. So, just scrub the bottom.
You can dump it out. Dump it out. Finish the bottom, should we do?
Alright. Rinse it out, I think that's it. No. Rinse it. Alright. There it is. Now just fill it up with water. Alright guys, we're at the trap. There's nothing. So guys, it's actually gonna be raining for the next few days. So I'm gonna have to trip this trap, and then we'll go check the minnow trap before it starts raining, and then we'll go put them in the pond. Alright guys, we're at the minnow trap. I'll pull up the first one. Alright. We only got like 2, which is better than none. We'll bring them back to the pond. Let's go check the homemade one. Alright guys, we're at the other trap. We didn't catch anything. Oh, we caught a little shrimp and a little minnow, but we'll throw them back. Alright. We'll catch y'all when we're putting those fish in the pond. Alright guys, we got the 2 fish. Putting them in the new pond. Looks like they like it so far. Alright, I'm going to put this aerator in. Alright. That's the new home. Alright, we'll catch y'all when we go check the raccoon trap again. Alright guys, we're back at the trap and we didn't catch anything. So, but I have a backup plan. So we won't be needing this. I'll catch y'all at the surprise. Hey guys, caught a possum in a cage trap. I didn't show on camera setting it, but yeah. We're probably just gonna eat this possum instead of the raccoon. I'm gonna take this guy out and I'll catch y'all in the kitchen. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen. We're about to cook up some bacon wrapped possum. So we're gonna cut them up, season them, and wrap them up in bacon and throw them in the oven. So let's get started. Alright guys, we got the possum right here. We're about to cut them up into small pieces so we can wrap them in the bacon. And we'll have multiple. We'll also season them up. Gotta dry them off first. Alright guys, we got the possum in the bowl. We're gonna go in with some Tonys, some salt, and then some garlic powder. Oh, hold up. Alright guys, so the lid was on, or the thing was on. Alright. A little bit of pepper. Alright, mix it up. Now we're going to take a little piece. Then we're going to wrap it in the bacon. And then take it, then you put it in the thing. Now we're just going to keep doing that. Alright guys, this is the possum. We're going to put him in the oven. We're going to put him in for about 20 minutes. I'll catch y'all when they're done. Alright guys, we got the possum right here. Let's try it. Doesn't taste bad, but it's not horrible, but it's not great. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. This video's over.